Welcome to our latest tutorial on managing your WhatsApp conversations more effectively. Today we're going to explore how to delete sent group messages for everyone using the WhatsApp app on your PC. This feature is incredibly useful if you've sent a message by mistake or want to remove outdated information from your group chats. First, let's get started by opening the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you have the latest version installed to ensure all features are available. Once the app is open, navigate to the group conversation where the message you want to delete is located. Scroll through the chat until you find the specific message you wish to remove. Now let's take action. Right-click on the message you want to delete. This will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, click on Delete. You'll see two choices: Delete for me and Delete for everyone. To remove the message from everyone's view, select Delete for everyone. After choosing this option, you'll see a prompt confirming your choice. Click Delete to finalize the action. This feature is particularly useful for group admins who need to manage their group conversations effectively. It allows you to maintain the integrity of your group chats by removing any inappropriate or unnecessary messages. Remember, this feature is time-sensitive, so you can only delete messages within a certain time frame after sending them. Using this method, you can confidently manage your messages on WhatsApp using the PC app. Whether you're a group admin or just a member, this feature gives you more control over your conversations. So the next time you accidentally send a message or want to clean up your group chats, you know exactly what to do. In conclusion, deleting sent group messages for everyone on WhatsApp using your PC is straightforward and efficient. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your group conversations remain organized and clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on managing your digital communications.